Before we dive in, let me show you something powerful. There is a YouTube channel called Fern. It creates 3D animation documentary videos, and the moment you open it, you see it has 4.42 million subscribers. You can see all the animation videos they upload, and people follow them like crazy. And when you check it on Social Blade, you can clearly see how much money this channel earns. And if you look deeper, you'll notice something interesting. This channel hasn't even been around for many years. It's only 5 years old. And that is exactly why today I prepared this video for you. I want to show you how you can create 3D animation videos for free, just like the ones you're watching right now. These videos you see here, I made them myself. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same. Watch the entire video and you'll understand how to start creating content and how you can start earning money from it. But before we begin, please give me a subscribe, a like, and a positive comment because it gives me motivation to create another video. My name is Fred, and this is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. All right, let's dive in. Opening Grok AI. First, go to your browser. I personally use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. In the search bar, type Grok AI and hit search. You will immediately see the first page appear. Click on it. Once you open it, you'll see the home page. Click on Try Grok. When you land on the next page, the first thing you'll see is Sign In or Create Account. If it's your first time, click Create Account. You can sign up using X, email, Apple, Google. Choose whichever option works for you. For me, I selected Sign Up with Google, continued, confirmed everything they asked, and after a few seconds, my account was ready. Now you're inside their platform. You can choose Auto, Fast, Expert, Grok 4.1, and more. But for this tutorial, I'm using Auto. And remember, if you want, you can even do all of this using your smartphone. No problem at all. Now, before you create anything, there is something important you need to understand. Prompt engineering. Because the truth is simple. Better prompt equals better results. The person who knows how to write a good prompt is the person who creates the best videos. So how do you create a good prompt? You go to ChatGPT and you write all the words you want. And remember, you can use any language you speak. It understands everything. Ask your question and ask it for a prompt. That prompt is what you will use to create your image or your video. No problem at all. So I think now you understand how to create your prompt. Opening ChatGPT. Go back to your browser and type ChatGPT. I personally use Chrome, then click Search. You will arrive on this page. Click on it. Then you will arrive on their official website. If you want, you can create an account. When you finish everything, you will arrive here. For example, I typed hello, and it replied instantly. ChatGPT is the best, and everyone starts there for free. Now, every question you have, you will put it in the comments. For me, I asked ChatGPT for a prompt to create a video of people who are in something like a prison. Many people. Listen to how I wrote it. I want you to create for me a prompt that I will put in Grok AI so it can create an image in 3D animation, showing people who are in prison, wearing pink uniforms like real prison clothes. But it must be 3D animation, because I will use it to create a thumbnail. So you give me the prompt for that image, and also give me another prompt for the video. But the video must be created from the same image. The people in the image must be walking, moving, like real prison movement. And you give me all the prompts in English language. You explain clearly the video you want to create. For me, I asked it to give me the prompt for the image in the video, but everything is created from the same image. So now, you take the prompt, copy it, and paste it into your Grok AI. Then click Generate.
Because I created a new account, they asked me to confirm my age. They will ask you that. It's easy. Just confirm your age. You can put any age you want. It doesn't have to be your real age. When you finish everything after a few seconds, boom! Look at the images I created. Look at them exactly as I requested. Images of people in prison wearing pink clothes, just like I said in the prompt. They created them immediately. Now let's create the video. Click on the image you want. Click where it says Make Video. Then go back to your ChatGPT and take the video prompt. The one that matches the image I chose, describing the people in the image walking and making movement. Then copy and paste it. Click Generate. After 1 second, boom! Look at the video I created. Look at it yourself. Then I took that prompt and put it on the second thumbnail, and I created the video. Boom! Look at it too. Now let me go back to ChatGPT and create project 2. Listen to how I wrote it. Now I want another story. I want to create an image of myself and create a thumbnail that looks good. But this time I want it to be a person in the city, with many people, looking like the USA but in 3D, like those movies from Zach D Films, and looking professional. Give me the prompt for the image and the prompt for the video. Give me 2, in English. So I did it like that. Then the prompts were generated. You copy and paste them into your Grok. After 1 second, done. Look at your image, how they created it. Then what you do is click on the image, click Make Video, put your prompt, click Generate. After 1 second, done. Look at the video they created for us for free, and it looks very good. If you create documentary videos, you can use these small videos and many other things. Then let me go again to the second image and put the prompt. After a few seconds, done. Look at the video they created, and it looks very good. So if this video helped you, put it in the comments, and tell me what video you want me to create next. This is AI Builders Academy. I am Fred. Have a good day, and see you in the next video.